What if I told you you could start making money online today, using digital products you didn't even have to create? I'll show you how, step by step. Hi, I'm Anne, and I help busy women and stay-at-home moms build income streams with minimal tech, no face showing, and done-for-you digital product systems. Today, you'll learn exactly how to pick a product, customize it, and set it up for resale, so you can start selling in 24 to 48 hours. Step 1. Pick your product and niche. First, you need to select a high-demand niche. Think small business marketing, productivity, pets, kids' activities, weddings, evergreen topics. Then you pick a product format: ebook, planner, social media template, checklist. You don't have to design it from scratch if you use a done-for-you bundle. Step 2. Customize your product in Canva. Open Canva. Choose a template from your bundle. Swap in your brand colors and logo. Tweak the text. Download as a PDF or export as a template link. This is your product, ready for resale. Step 3. Set up your selling system and traffic. Upload your product to a simple platform like Systeme.io, Payhip, or Gumroad. Set your price, e.g. $27 to $47. Use free traffic. Post faceless reels, Pinterest pins, YouTube, TikTok videos showing your product in action. Use your bundle's bonus training to learn how to drive traffic without showing your face or paying for ads. Imagine waking up tomorrow to a sale you didn't chase. That's the power of digital products. But here's what most people struggle with. They spend months creating, designing, and setting up. That's where my done-for-you 10 template system comes in. 10 high-demand, editable digital product templates, all in niches people already buy from. Comes with resell rights. You keep 100% profit. Bonus trainings on faceless marketing, Pinterest, and TikTok traffic. It's literally plug and profit. Ready to skip the guesswork and start now? Click the link below to learn more and access the bundle.